Hi everyone, it's Genene. Welcome to another Yoga on the Go video, which is all about incorporating yoga poses in your daily life. Imagine if you're a parent, you're sitting in your car waiting for your kids to get out of school. Let me guess, you got there early, you found a prime parking spot or a prime spot in that line of cars that goes through to pick up the kids, depending on how your school organizes the pickups. I remember what that was like when I helped someone by picking up their kids in the afternoon and then dropping them off in the morning. Last time we did a series of yoga poses that you can do sitting in the car. Today we have a series of poses that you can do while you're standing outside the car. And yes, I've been there and I've seen you, at least in my neck of the woods, where there's a lot of you who are wearing something that sure looks like yoga clothes when you're going to pick up the kids. These are all asanas that you can do while wearing street clothes, and I'll demonstrate it while standing outside of a car. And maybe you can start a trend by getting some of the other parents to join in with you. Today we're going to be using the outside of our car to help keep us safe and help keep us balanced. Number one, to strengthen your shoulders, here's an isometric shoulder extension for you. Facing away from the car, arms by your side, step about 6 inches away from the car. Reach your arms straight behind you until the palms find the car. Without moving your shoulders, press your palms into the car, but not 100%. Only press back and up with about 60% pressure. Hold for 6 seconds. And do this 5 to 10 times, resting in between each set. Number 2, to improve balance and strengthen your core, here's a high lunge. Place your hands on the car for support, shoulder height. Step your left foot back about 3 or 4 feet, depending on your leg length and flexibility, and bend your right knee as close to 90 degrees as you can get it. Look at your back heel and lift it so it is directly over the ball of your foot. Straighten the back leg, lifting the kneecap to protect the knee, and hold 30 to 60 seconds. Change legs, left foot forward and right leg back. Bend the front knee. Your back heel is over the ball of the back foot. Hips point towards your car and hold 30 to 60 seconds. Number 3, a variation of Virabhadrasana 1, Warrior 1. Step your right foot back just like high lunge. Then keep your hips pointing towards the car. Turn your left leg out. Heel moves in towards the right and pump your back heel down and up 10 times, hands on the car for support. If you're more flexible, once you put the back heel on the ground, the feet will be lined up front heel to back inner arch. If you need more space, line up heel to heel. The calf muscle is considered the second heart because it assists the heart in circulating blood throughout the body. So it's really important to keep them strong and healthy. After you've done 10 reps, go to the other side, left foot forward and right leg back. Right leg spins clockwise and then pump your back heel down and up 10 times. Number 4, modified Parsvottanasana or modified pyramid pose. After your last Warrior 1 with the right leg back, keep the heel on the ground, straighten the front leg, the left leg, and bow forward, a little or a lot. Keep the hips pointing in the direction of the car and your back stays in neutral unless you're bowing more than 90 degrees. Hold for about 30 to 60 seconds and do the same thing on the other side. The right leg comes forward, move the left leg back, both legs are straight, and bow forwards. Spine is in neutral unless you are bowing more than 90 degrees. And then again, you hold for 30 to 60 seconds. Number 5. This last one is a chest and shoulder stretch. Facing your car, extend your right arm out to the side and place your right palm on the car, hands slightly below shoulder level, your shoulders down and back. Slowly turn your body to the left away from the car until you feel the stretch without your shoulders rolling forward. Hold for 30 to 60 seconds and then slowly turn back to the car and do the same thing on the left side. Take your left arm out to the side, place your left palm on the car, hand is slightly below the shoulder level, your shoulders down and back. Slowly turn your body to the right, this time away from the car, until you feel the stretch without your shoulders rolling forward, and hold for 30 to 60 seconds and then slowly turn back towards the car. Let me know which of those yoga asanas was most beneficial to you. And also, I can't wait to hear if you got your friends to join in as well. Let me know in the comments below. And then join me next time when we'll have 5 yoga poses for the commuter, those of you who commute back and forth from work. Thank you for joining me, and I look forward to seeing you next time. Namaste.